This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Kren. This home with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths and a nice fenced-in yard with a shed and hot tub is convenient to several military bases. Kitchen and baths have ceramic tile flooring. Shower and primary bathroom was installed in 2022. Kitchen has been updated and has newer stainless steel appliances. Washer and dryer convey as is. Seller does not use the wood-burning fireplace and that will convey as is. Agent is related to seller. October 24, 2024. For more information, review the details below.